Stop scrolling. Let me tell you the truth. If your life is not changing, it's not because you are unlucky. It's because you keep doing the same things every day and expecting a different result. And today, that needs to stop. Pause 1 second. Because no one is coming to save you. Most people wait. They wait for motivation. They wait for the right time. They wait for confidence. But successful people don't wait. They act even when they feel tired, scared, and unmotivated. Motivation is not what changes your life. Discipline does. Here's why most people never level up. They choose comfort over growth. They scroll instead of learning. They complain instead of improving. They talk about goals, but never work on them daily, and years pass. Same habits, same problems, same life. But listen carefully. You don't need to change everything today. You only need to change one small habit. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Stop wasting your mornings. Write your goals every day. Improve one skill. Read, learn, train your mind. Small actions, done daily, build an unstoppable future. This is not about being better than others. This is about being better than who you were yesterday. Your biggest competition is not people online. It's the lazy version of you, the version that wants comfort, the version that avoids hard work. And every day you choose who wins. If you are tired of the same life, if you want more discipline, focus, and success, start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Subscribe to Level Up Life and start leveling up your life one day at a time.